Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily buy Ethereum on Coinbase. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Coinbase, and first let's say that I want to Ethereum, and okay, you got it right here. And here you can see simply buy, but there is also another way how you can buy Ethereum. So what you can do is just write, I don't know, 1,000 euro, preview buy, and now the Coinbase fee is going to be 38 euro. But what you can do is this. Go to Coinbase Pro, 1337, look at this. Go to Coinbase Pro, go with sell at market, euro, Ethereum, euro, or your own currency. And let's say I want to buy for 1,000 euro, I'm going to pay a fee 5 euro. See? So this is how you can do it. So what you want to do is to actually transfer the funds from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, and you can buy Ethereum this way. You'll have also a link down below in the description. If you didn't register for Coinbase, you can, and you're gonna get $10 for free. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and goodbye.